when your motherland is at war. Congress is busy finding fault with Narendra Modi government. Congress on Friday night attacked the PM Modi-led government at center for abstaining from voting in International Monetary Fund when it considered fresh loans of 1.3 billion US dollars to Pakistan, saying a strong no would have sent a powerful signal. India has strongly opposed an IMF loan to Pakistan, citing concerns over the country's poor reform record and potential misuse of funds for cross-border terrorism. India abstained from voting at the IMF meeting and highlighted Pakistan military's control over the economy. But Congress leaders did not waste a minute in politicizing the matter, at least going into the technicalities of such votes in the IMF. Congress leader Jairam Ramesh was writing on X that on April 29th, the INC had demanded that India vote against the IMF loan to Pakistan, which was considered today by its executive vote. India has only abstained from the vote. The Modi government has chickened out. A strong no would have sent a powerful signal. He was joined by another Congress leader, Pawan Kheda, who expressed similar sentiments. Even Congress-minded alleged journalist Rajdeep Sardesai too was in league with Congress to further anti-center propaganda on the IMF Pakistan bailout issue. But what Congress forgets that IMF rules does not permit a no vote, and you can at the most abstain. But Congress seems not to understand even this basic thing. Congress has been in power in India for decades and must be knowing about each and every detail about the voting in IMF and its other workings. But the grand old party every now and then looks for an opportunity to oppose the Modi government. Even Congress's ally in the India Alliance did not criticize centre and thus understands IMF better than Congress. Limiting himself to questioning IMF benevolence, senior National Conference leader and Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Omar Abdullah on Saturday hit out at the IMF for granting $1 billion US loan to Pakistan, saying the global financial organization was essentially reimbursing Islamabad for the ammunition used to devastate border areas of the Union territory. Meanwhile, the PM Modi-led centre has decided to appeal to the IMF to reconsider its decision to grant it to Pakistan. Sources reveal that the centre could also put pressure on the US, who holds much sway in the IMF, to ensure that loan approval to Pakistan is stopped. Here it is noteworthy that at times when the entire nation is standing rock solid behind Prime Minister Modi in the country's fight against rogue state Pakistan, Congress is continuing with the Modi hate politics. Well, if you liked the video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, The Pamphlet.